Hey, what's going on? It's Build 20. I'm back. Cool, huh? So I wanted to show you some stuff here behind me. I want to show you some interesting things that I've got here. I've got my S15, S9, T9, and L3 L3++ for Litecoin. I believe it's L3++. And I've got powered by 4 receptacles, and that's running off of a number 6 gauge 230 volt wire. Typically I normally run all my equipment in, you know, the solar array, the air conditioning, the stuff like that. I really don't run this into anything particular. It's Romex wire, and I just have it run across the ceiling over there. But what's cool about this thing is it runs Bitcoin mining directly off of solar power. But it's kind of loud. For instance, let's plug it in and find out how loud it is. This one is the S9. Here's the S15. This is the T9. Here's a L3++. So, there's a microphone. Pretty typical. It's not really that big a deal. It's just a big refrigerator. Right now my internet's actually out, and it's just running here doing nothing because, well, it's wasting electricity. But it gets a lot louder than this. It's actually kind of quiet right now. So, in general, it's significantly quieter with the doors closed. But I've got some ventilation system set up for it. Let's move it over so you can see it. Let's talk about the top one first. Just a heat pump part that I keep. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to speak into the microphone, ain't I? It's a heat pump part. It could be a gas furnace part or air conditioning part. And here's what we call squared around. This is ducted directly into the side over there. In the wintertime, this exhaust goes into my ductwork for my house. So instead of having a high electric bill, because a solar array is not going to run a heat pump, a large one, to run this house, I'll run the Bitcoin miners on the solar power as long as I can, and then whenever the power goes low, it runs directly off of the grid. So grid power switches day in, every day, which is fine, not a big deal. Power gets low, you go switch it. Actually, it automatically switches with this inverter, which I'm not too happy with the Outback inverter. It don't seem to be satisfying to me on the reliability. It's already had a bunch of parts. The whole brain of it was replaced. It ain't even 2 years old, not even a year and a half old yet. But we got this, and you know, we have a large intake at the bottom. That way airflow goes in and then comes out. And it removes the heat. So it's kind of fun. I mean, and it runs on solar. It's running on solar power right now, but unfortunately there's a problem. My internet's down today for the moment. So uploading this will be kind of tricky. I might upload it on my cell phone if my internet don't never show up. And that might take a couple days or not. I don't know. But it's pretty fun. And I like doing Bitcoin. It's just a pretty cool hobby. I've got an interesting miner on the way. It's really awesome miner. We'll show you guys that when it shows up. But for now, this is Philip 20 with solar power, electricity, and electronics. And we're mining on Bitcoin when there's internet. But till then, we'll see you next time. Peace out. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. There's lots more content coming. Click the subscribe button below. Make sure you come back for more because there's great content always coming up every day in this channel. See you next time. Peace.